In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Cosmos future while examining IOTA cost gauge for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Cosmos. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the particle value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Cosmos is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will Cosmos succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Cosmos value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Cosmos and its to-date history. What is Cosmos? Cosmos SDK, Advancement Asset, otherwise called base coin. The basic role of the SDK is to diminish the intricacies in building the API for normal blockchain usefulness in permitting designers to zero in on adjustable applications inside a normalized structure. Engineers can take this fundamental edge that has implicit tokens, administration, marking, every one of the essential elements expected of a blockchain, and afterward add wanted functionalities through modules. Essentially the application layer of Cosmos organization. Tendermint Center is liable for the agreement on the Cosmos Center. Blockchains that are associated with the center point keep up with their own agreement power, without changing to Tendermint. Designers can assemble their own blockchains and applications with the assistance of Cosmos SDK and run them on top of the Tendermint Center, just stressing over the application layer. ABSI utilizes an attachment convention to empower the agreement motor to oversee application state running in another agreement cycle, making Cosmos ready to help a wide assortment of cryptographic forms of money and prearranging dialects like those found in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Zero Cash, CryptoNote, and that's just the beginning. About the Tendermint calculation. Tendermint, the basic calculation of Cosmos, is the principal variation of proof-of-stake agreement got from the reasonable Byzantine shortcoming lenient, PBFT, calculation presented by Castro and Liskov in 1999, following a 30 drawn-out research period. BFT-based POS conventions pseudo-haphazardly relegate a validator the option to propose new blocks during a multi-round casting a ballot cycle. Nonetheless, committing and finishing blocks relies upon a supermajority. For this situation 66% of the majority, of all validators approving the proposed block. This might take a few adjusts, or polkas, before blocks become finished. BFT frameworks can endure up to a 1/3 of disappointments, where disappointments can incorporate inconsistent or malignant way of behaving. A portion of the elements of this calculation, provable liveness and somewhat simultaneous organization. Safety limit, 1/3 of validators. Public, confidential chain viable. Instant conclusiveness, 1 to 3 seconds relying upon number of validators. Consistency focusing on consensus well-being. Cosmos evidence of stake calculation is a designated one, implying that it is coordinated in such a way where stakers are parted into two gatherings, validators and delegators. Delegators have the undertaking of choosing which validators will get to take a section in the agreement. Validators are there to be a piece of the agreement, approve exchanges and add new blocks to the chain. The prizes these stakers gain are for the most part acquired in the molecule token, however in future may likewise be procured in wrap types of elective digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the event that one of the hubs in this framework begins working in a malevolent way, it gets cut from the organization and its tokens are removed. Cosmos value expectation. October 1, 2022. Minus 0.79% $13.84. October 2, 2022. Plus 7.13% $14.94. October 3, 2022. Plus 6.04% $14.79. October 4, 2022. Minus 3.69% $13.43. October 5, 2022. Plus 1.25% $14.12. October 6, 2022. Plus 3.39% $14.42. October 7, 2022. Plus 0.14% $13.97. October 8, 2022. Minus 5.78%, $13.14. October 9, 2022. Minus 1.90%, $13.68. Cosmos Value Expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding. We see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 12.01%, $12.27. 2022 November minus 23.27%, $10.70. 2022 December minus 20.56%, $11.08. 2023 January minus 15.57%, $11.78. 2023 February minus 4.87%, $13.27. 2023 Blemish. Minus 2.31%, $13.63. 2023 April plus 6.43%, $14.85. 2023 May. Plus 12.02%, $15.63. 2023 June plus 25.56%, $17.52. 2023 July plus 31.32%, $18.32. 2023 August plus 38.45%, $19.31. 2023 September plus 44.00%, $20.09. Molecule Value Forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees IOTA coming to $33.13 in 2025. What will molecule be worth in 5 years? The cost of molecule in 5 years could lie around $30.73. Cosmos Value Forecast 2030 to 2040. What Cosmos will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Cosmos coming to $82.83 in 2030. What Cosmos will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees Cosmos coming to $165.65 in 2040. Will Cosmos supplant/outperform/overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Cosmos won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Cosmos at any point reach $100? Indeed, Cosmos could reach $100 toward the finish of 2025. Might Cosmos at any point reach $1,000? Indeed, it is conceivable that Cosmos can reach $1,000 yet just in a separated future, after 2030. Is Cosmos worth purchasing? We are supporters of respectably dangerous financial planning.